Now, because you don't have a hard hat and safety comes first, you have to go get the bulldozer. Get the medium bulldozer.
But I don't have a car.
Well, just take the bus.
Oh, okay. Wrong way. A lot of people do nothing. Sorry.
I'm walking here.
Walking on sunshine. Whoa. Ah, it's on the other side of the road. Ah, humpher. Come on, kid. Oh, a bit tight. Hey, nice hat. Thanks.
Yo, I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. That song will never be popular. Now where's this bulldozer? Oh, I thought it'd be bigger.
Bulldozer. I can't take this one back. I'll be laughed at. It's too small. Now that's a bulldozer.
Yippee! Ninja jump! Ooh, squeaky clean. Ooh, a hard hat. Matches my shoes. Can't reach the pedals. Now how do you start this thing? Push button to start. Okay.
Oh, got awesome powers, this thing. Don't fit. Oh well.
Oh, I do fit.
Woohoo! I made it!
Doom 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 doom. Noob, will you stop trying to be like Tom Cruise and do some work?
I want to speak to the manager! Wow! Woo! Wow!
Oh, Scotty, I said the medium bulldozer, but at least you got your hard hat.
Stop, you fool! Stop!
I got the bulldozer. Hang on, I'll come down. Hey boss, just go park it somewhere. Okie dokie.
Release the wrecking ball!
Oh, the other backwards. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, it's wrecking time. Hi there, laddie. Time to get wrecking.
Alright, I want you to turn right. No. Go back. The other right. That's right, go back. That's it. Come on now, turn right. Come on, turn right now. That's it, turn, that's it. Yeah, alright, nice and easy. Drop it down there, lad. A little bit more. Come on, you can do it. A little bit more there, governor. Or a little bit more. Hold it. Let's just lock it in. Go on there, boss lady. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, that's a good way. Now take it up. Go on, take it up nice and slow. Nice and slow there, governor. Come on, nice and slow. That away. That boss.
Oh yeah, now it's wrecking time.
Ooh. Ooh. Aye, cool. Ooh.
Come on, guys. Can't see. Did I miss something? Huh? What's going on? Oh, I missed the wrecking ball. Ah, humpher.
This is taking far too long. Let's go get the dynamite.
Dynamite!
Or the TNT, whatever it's called.
The TNT. Dynamite!
Look, our budget can't afford the new stuff, so we have to be old school.
TNT, dynamite, TNT. So my wife said I should do lunges to stay in shape. That would be a big step forward.
Safety lady.
Chop it. Ah, got it. TNT, dynamite.
Safety lady.
Just one stick of dynamite. Okay, timer.
Around the internet, you should use as much dynamite as possible.
Tiptoe away, tiptoe away.
Yay, I'm hopping.
No!
Uh-oh.
Kaboom!
Whoa!
Fire! Fire!
What's the number for 911?
Let the fire!
I didn't do it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!